Welcome back to part 4 of the 2001 Honda Goldwing 1800 engine teardown series. In this episode, we're diving deeper into the heart of this 1832cc flat six, pulling the water pump, clutch assembly, and a few other key components that keep this touring legend running smooth. We're starting with the water pump, OEM Honda 19220-MCA-300. This pump circulates coolant through the Goldwing's liquid cool system. A big reason this six-cylinder stays calm even on cross-country rides. After 20 plus years, this one still spins freely. Proof of Honda's engineering. Alright, we're working on the clutch cover. OEM Honda 11370 MCA 000. Once that's off, you can see the heart of the drive line, the clutch assembly that transfers all smooth Goldwing torque to the gearbox. Motor was a little bit heavier than I thought. All right, time for the clutch cover to come off. Must be another screw that I've missed. All right, clutch cover's off. Underneath that cover, you've got all the clutch components. You've got the lifter plate, joint piece, and the center clutch. All will be removed next. This clutch setup is designed from Honda to handle thousands of miles. I've heard of Goldwing 1800s having 300,000 miles on the clock. All right, we've got the lifter plate. So we ran into an issue with the clutch basket. We had to order a special tool to fit the locking nut that keeps it affixed to the shaft. Turns out this tool was only sold in the UK. It took us about 9 days to get it in. We ordered it off eBay. Special tools make the jobs a lot easier to do. It's just you gotta have the tools. Alright, here's the center clutch. Nicely compacted in a unit. And there we have it, guys. There's the clutch basket. If you take a closer look around the shaft, you'll see the locking nut I was speaking of earlier that required that special tool from the UK. Alright, we're on the opposite side now of the engine, and we are removing the transmission cover. Honda's number is 11361 MCA 000. This is part 4 of the engine teardown series of the 2001 Honda Goldwing GL1800. If you enjoy content like this, please give us a follow. If you've got any suggestions, comments or anything, please leave them. I appreciate you watching. All these items are pulled from this engine will land on our website very soon. We'll put a link in the description for the parts. Alright, there's the cover. We've got that off. Alright, there's that tool I was speaking of. 9 days, guys, and it takes 2 seconds to remove the basket. And just like that, it's removed. The 40mm locking nut takes 2 seconds to remove with a tool that comes from the UK. And there's the clutch basket. Clutch basket 22100-MCA-000. This heavy-duty basket absorbs rotational stress.